Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. Enter the startup interface. Press the menu button for 3 seconds. Select the first option, Prepare for treatment. Press the Confirm button. Select Quick Start. Press and hold the menu button for 3 seconds. When the numbers start flashing, set the treatment minutes. Use the up and down button to adjust the minutes. Press the Switch button. Set the treatment seconds. Press the Confirm button when the time setting is completed. Press the Start button to begin treatment. Press the Start button again to pause treatment. Press the Start button again to resume treatment. Press the Return button to end the treatment.